We all have access to LinkedIn, all of us. But are you using the depths of the tools that are there? You know, the two that come to mind, and again, we could do a deeper dive tomorrow on some of this stuff, especially social media, Sales Navigator and Team Link. Sales Navigator and Team Link. Sales Navigator first. Anybody using Sales Navigator and Team Link? Just curious in the room? No? Okay, good. Check it out. Watch. Sales Navigator is part of the LinkedIn platform. It helps you really build the social connection to the person. It gives you more depth and a deeper dive into that person or that person's businesses. It helps you learn and focus on who you should be talking to. It shows you the connections and relationships they have. So if I'm going to talk to a broker, it'll give me all the depths of that. It'll give me the real estate agent's background. Because guess what? That background sometimes is where we might connect. What they did before real estate. What did they do before anything that they did as a career? Where'd they go to school? Think about this. If you just had college in common, is that something to talk about? Hell yeah, that's an easy conversation, right? So it just helps you build that relationship. So it's a deeper dive tool in the LinkedIn platform called Sales Navigator that helps you sell socially better. Simple. Next is Team Link. This is leveraging relationships. Now, it might not be for all of you. Some of you might not feel comfortable with it. I think it's kind of cool, and I'll give you an example. So this is, you know how it will all say you're the first connection, you're the second connection, you're the third connection. What this does will help put together people that I'm trying to create a relationship with. So if I'm trying to get to an appointment with Ken sitting over here on the right, but I don't know Ken. Like I've heard of him, but I don't know him. But I can go to Team Link and realize that Jeff has a really good connection to Ken. I could rely on Jeff introducing me to Ken because you know darn well sometimes that handshake referral, oh, talk to my friend Jeff, talk to my friend. That handshake gets me the appointment sometimes. So this helps me leverage my relationship with Jeff to get an appointment with Ken when you really want to get that right person. Team Link just allows you to do that and shows you how to do it and helps you do it.